Hey there, welcome back. We are now going to one of the important concepts helpful in structuring formulas. A worksheet in Excel is made up of cells. These cells can be referred by specifying the row and the column. The power of Excel lies in the fact that you can use these cell references in other cells when creating formulas. Now, there are three kinds of cell references that you can use in Excel. One, relative cell reference. Two, absolute cell reference. And three, mixed cell references. Understanding these different types of cell references will help us work with the formulas and save time, especially when copy pasting the formulas. First, relative cell references. The relative cell references are useful when you must create a formula for a range of cells and the formula needs to refer to a relative cell. While copy pasting the relative cell reference, the actual reference will undergo a change based on the destination cell. That is the cell where the formula is pasted. So if you copy from here and paste it in here, the reference will be changed relative to the cell you paste. Right? Done. The second one is absolute cell references. Unlike relative cell references, absolute cell references do not change when you copy the formula to other cells. It remains intact. It will refer only to the cell you specify. It will not go anywhere else. Right? Okay, why there is a dollar symbol here? What does the dollar symbol do here? Yeah. Dollar symbol when added in front of the row and the column number makes it absolute. That is, stops the row and the column number from changing when copied to other cells. Absolute cell references are useful when you don't want the cell references to change as you copy formulas. This could be the case when you have a fixed value that you need to use in the formulas. For example, the table array range in the VLOOKUP. It will be not changing for every cell references, right? It must be same across the inputs. And the third type is mixed cell references. The mixed cell references are a bit trickier than the absolute and relative cell references. There can be two types of mixed cell references. One is the row locked and the column changes. So the row will be locked, it will not change, and the column will change when you copy and paste the formula based on the place where you are going to paste it. And the second type is the column is locked while the row changes when the formula is copied. So column will be fixed and row will be changing. So to change the reference from relative to absolute, you need to add the dollar sign before the column notation and the row number as you see here. A faster way to do this is by using the keyboard shortcut F4. So when you select a cell reference in the formula bar or in the cell in the edit mode, anyway, if you select the cell reference and press F4, it changes the reference type. Suppose you have a reference, say, equal to A1 in a cell. So here is what happens when you select the reference and press F4 key. Press F4 key once. The cell references changes from A1 to $A$1. That is becomes absolute from relative. If you press F4 key twice, the cell references changes from A1 to $1. That is changes to a mixed reference where the row is locked but the column will be changing. If you press F4 twice, the cell reference changes from A1 to $A1. That is changes to mixed reference where the column is locked and the row will be changing. If you press F4 four times, the cell reference becomes A1 again. That is, it will become relative again. So to get a better clarity over the cell references, we will see an illustrative example in the next video. See you there.